Welcome to this quick tutorial where I'll show you how to enable lot tracking for a product. Click on the Products section from the left menu and select the product. In this example, I'll use baby food. First, make sure the product has no inventory. Lot tracking can only be enabled if the product has zero stock. If there's any inventory, remove it before proceeding. On the right side, click Edit Product Details. Then go to the Inventory section. Enable Requires Lot, and click Save. Lot tracking is now enabled. From this point on, anytime you try to add or adjust inventory, it will require a lot to be selected. To create a lot, go to the Lot section. Click Create, enter a lot name and an expiration date. Then click Create Lot. And that's how you enable and start using lot tracking in your system. Thanks for watching.